my research is understanding how the futures of elevated CO2 and drought would affect wheat production. For my research, I use remote sensing technology, which basically use the cameras to understand what is happening on the very minutest level, what is happening in the plant. We want to understand these plant-based processes and how it affects carbon assimilation, energy balance, and also predict what would happen in the future. We saw with the current experiment with elevated CO2 and drought that there is a little bit a deviation from what we should expect in the energy balance. We see that in situations of elevated CO2, the temperatures are kept towards ambient. There will be great implication to the global energy balance because wheat covers a large expanse of the arable land in the world. We want to dig in to say, is there something that we are not seeing that might be implicative on the global energy balance? CO2, when you think about it, you think about global warming, but as plant scientists, we see it as the food for the plant. So we're saying more CO2 would benefit the plant, however, it's not just straightforward. There are other things that could affect the plant production. You want to really understand what would happen without water. What is this interaction? And that's where I come in with my remote sensing technology to understand at several levels, from the plant level, the leaf level, to global level, what would happen. Coming from Africa, we want to take the technology here and go back home to better understand when it comes to utilization of land, utilization of basic resources for crop production. Israel uses the littlest water to get maximum, if so to speak, and we want that in Nigeria. And so I want to implement this. I want to go into full-time research to understand crop production processes that would grant us efficient and even maximum yield. And it's something that will be interesting for my country, Nigeria.